Hi there. This is Louis Gossett Jr. What you just saw was my indoor swimming pool. I've come from California and I came here to do a job, and I liked it so much that I bought this home. My family likes it and I love it. But the history, the real estate history, I knew very little of. I've had my house for over 30 years. And so I needed some help to find another place. I wanted to move, and into my life came B&B, Baron and Bren, my favorite people in real estate. They become family members. They care so much. And they go into detail about what you're thinking, what you win and what you lose, and they stay in touch. They're part of my family now. So I'm doing this endorsement. So if you have any real estate problem, buying or selling, or get information about it, call them. I call them B&B. They're my family members, my cousins. Call them. They'll take very good care of you, as they took very good care of me. So God bless. Have a good day.